can try. Go. Yeah, go girl. Yeah, you are helping Ayi now. See, this is how the rice is made. Isn't that great, isn't it?
Yeah. 谢谢你让我试了。
Wow.
好玩。I'm so tired.
Keep going.
No, you do it now.
Okay, there you go. Okay. Let me go and help Ayi then.
宝宝你吧。哎呀！
Can you do it? Whoa! Run to the front, run to the... Hey, that's it. All right then. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay.
粉丝寄什么我就做什么吃。第3弹。
Go.
这个他说不要艾特。
What is it? Oh, I think I know what that is, but I don't know the name in English, to be honest. I know in Portuguese. Favas.
But
I've never cooked this one. Ooh, it smells a little bit. Okay, another one.
这里是山尾的元包日常。
Is that the name?
Yes.
Oh,
Then here.
that's the way. Oh, I thought it was marshmallow. Is that cat food?
No.
It has got cats in it, so I thought it was cat food.
It's caramel, I think so.
Do you think so? It's not caramel, Gabrielle.
The next one and also the last one. 江苏的谢谢。
Ah. Oh, ta-da-da-da. Oh, it's just to keep it cold.
Yeah.
Oh! Tan, tan, ta-da, tan. Go, put it. Okay, hold on.
This one is already escaped.
I know. Come on then. You wanna get out? You get out. Go. Be free. Woo! Gabrielle.
He's strong.
See? Oh, yo. All right. So what are we gonna do with this, Gabri?
这个不能喝吗？
No, don't drink that. That's just water. Okay. No. Okay, we can put it. That's Gabby. Boys. Doing hello. Around.
Okay.
One is gonna be too salty, the other one. And then our sauce here.
And that's next
It does look amazing. Oh. Like this. Right?
to it. Oh my gosh.
Go on.
Gonna get this up. A man.
Right.
Ew.
So we open from here.
From the butt.
Yes. That's it, yeah.
It's hot. Oh my gosh.
Oh, Gabby, look. Do you want to try?
Nah. I want to eat the legs.
Gabby.
How do you eat the legs?
With your mouth.
这是我人生中第一次吃螃蟹，因为我是喜欢吃清蒸的，不喜欢吃其他的。So first we cut these off, and then we cut this one as well.
Not too much, otherwise you're gonna waste some crab there. Look.
And then dew, 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 dew.
Ooh, that's a good way. It's good. Just suck it.
谢谢，好好吃。
Gabby, let's try this one.
Oh, this one already.
Yeah, but that one is blue. This one is red. Oh my god! Ah! Don't touch my teeth. It's no taste, is it? Let's try. Tastes like ginger. Right, Gabby. Try this one. Gabby. Do you want to try? So good. You didn't try.
I did. I don't like it.
Do you remember that fruit that we ate at Cream's house? There was like yellow. I don't know how to say that in Chinese.
I don't know.
You know, the one that has a strong
Follow
smell. Maybe. And guess what? This is the seed inside. You know when you eat it, and then the seed is inside, and you just need to do like this.
这个进我们这个东西的人也太缺德了吧！喵。